Hi guys, this is Heather with Heather's Treasures. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new and this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing and clicking on the bell to make sure that you get notified every time I upload a video. This is inspired by Kathryn Halstead. She is a polymer clay artist and she did something like this using green or gold. But yeah, Kathryn Halstead, gorgeous pieces, very abstract-y, very classic-y looking. And I will put a link to her video in the description box so you can see that. All right, I've got a bunch of pearl here. These 5 pieces are mixed 4 times through the pasta machine on a setting 7, which is the largest, with translucent. And this is translucent on number 2, which is second to smallest. And here's 3 pieces of just plain pearl. I have got an idea of a seashell. And I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to try. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lightest color first. I've got tons of blues here. And this one is a seaside blue. I'm just going to brush some on. Okay, now let's go with the heavenly blue. Okay, so I did a seaside blue and a heavenly blue, and this one looks interesting. I don't know what color this is. I just emptied it out of a bag that I got off of Amazon. And I'm going kind of heavy here. Got room for one more color. I like this one better than this one, so we're just going to hit this one here. I'll do white, just as an interest here. This is a titanium. Okay, now, this is going to be the hard part. This is going to slide around quite a bit. All right. I'm going to give this kind of a smash. And hopefully it doesn't stick to my hand, which is doing. Let go. This will stick eventually, I promise. Okay, I'm going to let this rest for a few minutes. I've been making some pieces. I took some slices off of this on both sides. Didn't know which one I would like better, so I got this one. Kind of liking it. And then I got these 2. These don't look like shells, so I'll put those aside. I think I'll use this one. And then I took some pearl and translucent and I mixed it together thoroughly. And then I took some Primo white. These are all Primo white. And then I marbled it so that I could get some striations for the base. So now what I think I want to do, I'm going to try to lay this in here. Yeah, I like this side better. So we'll put this side toward the mold and we'll press it in very carefully. I'm going to use a brush. That way then that'll be the gentlest. And I don't care if I don't get it to the edge because I don't want to make it a 4-inch shell. Okay, now I think I need a circle. This is only 2 3/4. I'm going to cut it out right here in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to just give this a stretch. Ooh-wee. Okay, now we're going to just kind of try to smooth out that bump best we can. I think that looks pretty good. I hope this works, guys. I really do. Okay, I think this is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake it for an hour and hope that the translucent doesn't burn. All right, we're back. I have got some flaws in my UV resin, and I got these cute little mini blocks. It's called a sponge board foam. They're not even they're just an inch. Isn't that cute? Anyway, I got these. They just came. And I also got some of these. It was a lot cheaper than buying them at, like, say, Walmart or something. So anyway, I want to show you. I got a little bit of an extra drip on my UV resin right here. And I somehow missed a cat hair. So this is the coarse, this is the fine. So first I'm going to attack this hair. Well, the cat hair is gone. The micro bubbles are gone. Okay, I got my Dremel here. We're going to get out the power tools. That was too slow. The buffer was too slow. And I've got some Flitz polish. And I'm just going to dab on about pea size. Okay, I better quit while I'm ahead here. I sanded right down to the top piece. I think that's all right though. I have to admit something here. When I first pulled this out of the oven, I was not impressed and I didn't like it. I was just like ready to trash it. But I walked away, and it's been probably 3 days since I worked on this piece. And now I like it. It's kind of organic. I was thinking about putting 2 rows of beads. One here, and the same thing on this side. And have them come up. But anyway, here's the end shell. I like it. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. What do you think this looks like, a shell? Don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my affiliate links. So till next time, love you. Bye-bye.